Nena, game. Go, be.
I dedicate this song by Oasis. It's called Champagne Supernova.
Woo!
Intro pa lang, intro. Hindi niya marinig dyan.
Ayan, sige.
Special people change. How many lives are living strange? Where were you while we were getting young?
Nahiya pa sa sarili niya eh.
Walking down the road faster than the cannonball. Where were you while we were getting young? Someday you will find me come beneath the landslide in a champagne supernova. Champagne.
Kasi mali yung recording mo eh.
Come beneath the landslide. Champagne supernova. Champagne supernova in the sky.
Woo! Wala pa yung kamay. May concert dito.
Dennis,
Are
are you
you having fun?
Of course, yes. Woo, party!
Ay! Nayumpas niya yung cellphone niya. Buti na lang talaga black lang tong dito.
Faster than the cannonball.
Ang arte pagbigay sa cannonball.
Someday you will find me. Come beneath the landslide.
Oo, Ann Curtis. Buti na lang talaga maganda to eh. Ann Curtis ang level ng ganda.
Come beneath the
Ay,
landslide.
mahawak ko sa tenga. Nasisintonado ba, be? Ang sakit na lang siya ko kay Raisa.
Then you find out that you're not ever be shorter.
Ayaw na. Napraning na si Raisa.
Chorus na lang ako ah.
Ah, sige.
I don't know why.
Yeah! Come on! Woo!
Rockstar! Yeah!
Rebel kid! Ang kulitin. Buti na lang, tulog si Reynan.
Hoy, Rinan! Gumising ka dyan. Kumakanta mo!
Nagpakontong eh.
Mag-prepare ka na your next. Lives are living strange. Where were you while we were getting high?
Oh, sige, si Bads daw.
Prepare na kayo. Walking down the road faster than the cannonball.
Arte talaga.
Where
Consistent eh. Cannonball. Parang yung super coffee and cotton. Grabe.
someday you will find me from beneath the landslide in the champagne supernova. Champagne supernova. Kung makatitig na. And find a way to each other. Malilirig ko eh.
Wala naman kami naririnig na ano eh. Okay lang, di alata.
And on